Hey guys, welcome in today's video, and in this tutorial you will learn how to use the Python if statement to execute a block of code based on a certain condition. The simple Python if statement. We use the if statement to execute a block of code based on a specific condition. The syntax of the if statement is as follows. The if statement checks the condition first. If the condition evaluates to true, it executes the statement in the if block. Otherwise, it ignores the statements. Note that the colon that follows the condition is very important. If you ignore it, you will get a syntax error. Let's see an example. This example prompts you to input your age. If you enter a number that is greater than or equal to 18, it will show a message. You are eligible to vote on the screen. Otherwise, it does nothing. The condition int age greater than equal to 18 converts the input string to an integer and compares it with 18. See the following example. In this example, if you enter a number that is greater than or equal to 18, you will see two messages. In this example, indentation is very important. Any statement that follows the if statement needs to have 4 spaces. If you don't use the indentation correctly, the program will work differently. For example, in this example, the final statement always executes regardless of the condition in the if statement because it does not belong to if block. Python if-else statement. Typically, you want to perform an action when a condition is true and another action when the condition is false. To do so, we use the if-else statement. The following shows the syntax of if-else statement. In this syntax, the if-else will execute the if block if the condition evaluates to true. Otherwise, it will execute the else block. The following example shows you how to use if-else statement. In this example, if you enter your age with a number less than 18, you will see the message, you are not eligible to vote, like this. Python if-else statement. If you want to check multiple conditions and perform an action accordingly, you can use this statement. Here is the syntax of if-else statement. The if-else statements checks each condition. If condition, else if condition 1 and else if condition 2 and so on in the order that it appear in the statement until it finds the one that evaluates to true. When the if-else if statement finds one, it executes the statement that follows the condition and skips testing the remaining conditions. If no condition evaluates to true, the if-else statement execute the statement in the else branch. Note that the else branch is optional. If you omit it and no condition is true, the else does nothing. The following example uses the if-else statement to find out the ticket price based on the age. In this example, if the input age is less than 5, the ticket price will be $5. And if the input age is greater than or equal to 5 and less than 16, the input ticket price is $10. Otherwise, the ticket price is $18.